I'm taking video and this is how I do the vlog. So you will never go wrong with the video clarity. So in today's video, it's going to be a quick video, but a very effective video. If you're into vlogging, you love taking videos on the go, especially taking selfie videos. So how you can do this with gimbal, it's easy because you have this hand movement, the gimbal keeps it stable, and recording this is quite easy. Now, what if you don't have gimbal, and what if you don't even have any other equipment like a camera holder, just a camera and your hand? So I'll show you how to do this with just your camera and your bare hand, and you will still get very good high quality video. So you will get to know how to take the video, how to have a good quality audio out, both in this video. Now, this is your mobile, and every mobile nowadays has a front and a rear camera. What is important to know, in every mobile, the rear camera is the stronger lens. And if you're recording videos, you must always record with this rear lens, even if it is selfie. And this is how the lens looks like. And when you're recording, go to 0.5, which is called ultra wide lens. This gives width to the entire video recording. You can see like this. So this is vertical and this is horizontal. So you will say, Gopi, this we all know what is new. That is what we will see now. This lens, right, when you're recording, has to be on your side like this. This lens on your side. So this is how you will hold it to record. Now you'll say, how do I switch it on? It's quite easy. Just turn it towards you like this, switch it on, and then flip it like this. So what is happening is that you have good control over the camera and it is getting recorded through this lens. So you can just get the angle you want. You can move around your hand, and camera is stable because you are comfortably holding this camera. So you will never go wrong with the video clarity. And as you speak, you will be able to record your video if you're doing vlogging. Now, when it comes to vertical video, again, just hold it like this. This is how you will be recording, and your hand is quite flexible to move the way you want. Now, once you're done with this, just turn the camera like this, switch it on, and then turn it like this. So as you record, you will be able to capture everything even without gimbal or any other accessories, just with your bare hand and phone. Try this, it's effective, and this is going to work like a charm. To elevate your recording experience, what you need to do is have a basic wireless mic. So this is a 3-in-1 lavalier mic. All I need to do is connect this here like this, and this goes here. Putting this mic here, and as soon as I put, you see this green light, that means that this is connected. Nothing I have to do. Switch it on and then get to 0.5, adjust like this, get it on my side, switch it on, and now I'm taking video, and this is how I do the vlog. This way, any noise that gets cancelled through this and the recording, ultimately what comes is a better audio. You can also do audio editing on your computer with Adobe Enhance. All you need to do is bring your audio voice to Adobe Enhance, and it will instantly give you a better quality output. And if you're into vlogging or even recording videos, the best way to edit, what I do is on Filmora. It takes out all the unnecessary noise, cut, and will give you a very good video. So friends, vlogging is not complicated. All you need to have is right posture, right technique, and with that, you will be able to vlog anywhere, anytime. I hope you find this video useful. Do like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.